Hello, and welcome back to Everyday Dialogue. Today's topic is very sensitive: attending a funeral and offering condolences. My friend Andrew's uncle has passed away. I'm going to his house now to be with him and see how we can talk in such a situation. Let's learn some practical and simple English for this. Whew, let's go.
Oh, Camila. Hi. Please come in. Thank you for coming.
Hello, Andrew. I'm so sorry for your loss.
Thank you. It's very hard. Let's sit in the living room.
Of course. How are you feeling?
I'm just empty and very tired. We didn't sleep much last night.
I can imagine. Was it unexpected?
Not really. He was sick for some time.
I see. What was his illness, if you don't mind me asking?
He had heart problems for about 2 years.
2 years. That's a long time. Where was he in the hospital?
He was at City General Hospital in room 407.
City General. Who was his doctor?
Dr. Evans. He is a good cardiologist.
Dr. Evans. Did everything go well with the treatment?
We thought so, but last week his condition got worse very fast.
That must have been so scary. Was the family with him?
Yes, my aunt and his children were there. He passed away peacefully.
Peacefully. That's important. Where did he pass away exactly? In the hospital room?
Yes, in his hospital room, on Tuesday evening around 8 p.m.
Tuesday evening. I'm so sorry. Did the doctors act quickly when he got worse?
They tried, but it was very sudden. My aunt even said maybe we should have taken him to a private hospital sooner.
It's natural to think like that after something happens, but you all did your best.
Thank you for saying that. It helps.
Of course. So he had a family, a wife and children?
Yes, my aunt, Helen, and they have 2 children, a boy and a girl.
2 children. How old are they?
Michael is 15, and Sophie is just 12.
Oh, that's so young. They must be devastated. How is your Aunt Helen holding up?
She is very strong for the kids, but I know she is broken inside.
It's a very difficult time for everyone. When is the funeral service?
This Saturday at 10 in the morning.
This Saturday, 10 a.m. And where will it be?
At Grace Memorial Church on Pine Avenue.
Grace Memorial Church. I will write that down. Who is organizing the reception?
My mother and some family friends are helping with that. We will have it in the church hall after the service.
That sounds good. And after that, is there a burial?
Yes, at 1 p.m. in the Hillside Cemetery.
Hillside Cemetery at 1 p.m. I will be there for you, Andrew, for all of it.
You don't have to, but thank you. Really.
Is there anything specific I can do? Maybe bring some food, help with the flowers?
Actually, flowers for the church would be a big help. White roses were his favorite.
White roses. Consider it done. A big bouquet.
Thank you. And maybe, could you help direct people a little at the church? You know a lot of our friends.
Absolutely. I can do that. I can be at the door and guide people to the hall.
That would take a lot of pressure off my mom. Thank you.
It's nothing. What should I wear? Is black necessary?
Black or dark colors are best, but anything formal and respectful is okay.
Okay, I have a dark blue dress. I'll wear that. Should I come here first on Saturday?
We are leaving here at 9:15. You can come here or meet us directly at the church, whatever is easier for you.
I'll meet you at the church before 10 a.m. Is parking available?
Yes, there's a big lot next to the church. It might be full, so come a bit early.
Good advice. I'll be there by 9:30. How long will the church service be?
Probably about an hour or a little more. Then we go to the cemetery.
And after the burial, does the family go somewhere?
We will go back to my aunt's house. Close family and friends only. You are welcome to come.
Thank you. I'll see how everyone is feeling then. Are many people coming from out of town?
Yes, some cousins are coming from Chicago. They will arrive tomorrow.
That's good. Family together is important. How is Michael, the 15-year-old, taking it?
He's very quiet. Stays in his room. I think he doesn't know how to express it.
Maybe I can talk to him at the gathering. Sometimes talking to someone outside the family is easier.
That would be very kind of you, Camila. He always liked you.
I'll try. And little Sophie, how is she?
She cries a lot. She was very close to her dad.
Poor thing. It's so hard for children. You are all in my thoughts.
That means a lot. More than you know. Can I get you some tea or coffee? You've been so kind.
No, please don't trouble yourself. I should actually let you rest. You look exhausted.
I am. But talking to you, it helps. It feels normal for a minute.
I'm glad. Remember to eat something, okay? Even if it's small.
My mom is forcing me to eat. Don't worry.
Good. So I'll get the white roses and I'll be at the church on Saturday at 9:30. I'll help with guiding people.
Perfect. Thank you, Camila, for everything.
You don't need to thank me. Call me if you need anything. Anything at all, even at night.
I will. I promise.
Okay, I'll go now. Try to get some sleep tonight.
I'll try. Goodbye, Camila. Drive safely.
Goodbye, Andrew. See you on Saturday. My deepest condolences again. Whew, that was a heavy conversation. As you saw, we talked about many things: how the person passed away, the illness, the hospital, the family left behind, and all the practical details of the funeral. The key is to be gentle, ask simple questions, and most importantly, listen. Offer specific help, like bringing flowers or helping with guests. Words like, "I'm so sorry for your loss," "How are you holding up?" and "Is there anything I can do?" are very useful.